Good morning, class 3. Take out your EVS book. As we have completed the reading of this chapter, Caring for Our Environment, today we are going to do back exercise. I hope everyone has completed focus words in your fair notebook. What did we read in this chapter? We read that Earth is made up of water and landform. Among the landform, there are plains, then there are hills, then there are mountains, then there are valleys, there are deserts which are made up of sand, there are cold deserts as well as hot deserts. Then we learned about some water bodies. The biggest water bodies are seas and oceans. Its water is very, very salty, so we cannot drink it. How we can take care of our surroundings? We have some God-gifted natural resources like air, water, land, and we should take care of these resources. But what we are doing? We are polluting it. Pollution means we are making it dirty. And the things that make our landforms, our resources dirty are known as pollutant. Like when we throw garbage anywhere on the street, the smoke that comes out of the vehicles, the smoke that come out of the factories, the waste that is being disposed by the factories into the rivers, all these things are polluting the land, the air as well as the river. Everything is being getting polluted. Now, how we can take care of it? We should stop disposing garbage anywhere. Rather, we should use dustbins for it. We should dump the waste underground so that it can become the compost and make the soil fertile. Then we learned that every living thing on the earth is dependent on each other, which is known as food chain. For example, the deer eats the grass and the lion eats the deer. So this is a chain that continues, which is known as food chain. How this bulls and cows are dependent on oxpecker? Because this oxpecker, what did it do? This is a small bird that eats the ticks and bugs of the body of the cows. And that is why these animals do not mind oxpecker sitting on their back. Similarly, how this bird egret is helping the cow in the cattle in the field, because when cattle is grazing the grass, some worms come out and this egret help in eating those worms. So therefore, this is how cow is dependent on egret and egret is dependent on a cow. Okay, so it means every living thing is dependent on each other. Similarly, we are also dependent on plants and animals both. We have done the focus words. Now we will start back exercise. So you have to take out page number 137 and your pencil. So your first activity is strike out the wrong word to complete the sentences. The big flat land area is called a flat land is a plain. The weather on hills पे कैसा weather होता है? Cool. The low land between two mountains is called a valley. Like Dehradun is a beautiful valley. A dash is a small water body, pond, because sea is a very big water body. Second is activity 2, fill in the blanks. The earth is made up of dash and dash. किससे बना है? Land, write with cursive writing, and water. The earth is made up of land and water. The hill slopes are covered with dash kinds of plants. Hill slopes किससे होते हैं? अलग अलग तरह के plants से covered होते हैं. So different kinds of plants. The air, water and land are our natural resources. अभी मैंने बताया था ना, natural resources are those resources which are given to us by the God, like air, water, land. These all are our natural resources and we should take care of them. The waste water of factories contain, जो गंदा पानी होता है factories का, उसमें क्या होता है? Chemical. That chemicals get mixes with the river and also goes into the soil, and when crops grow into that soil, the chemicals enter into the crops, and then when we eat those crops, we can get ill. Now we have to state whether the statement is true or false. Mountains are good for growing crops. No, because plains are good for growing crops. Mountains में crops उगाना मुश्किल होते हैं. All deserts are hot and dry. No, because some deserts are cold deserts like Spiti. Pollution affects our health. Yes, pollution can make us ill. Turn the page. Plants do not depend on human beings and animals. False. Like we depend on plants, plants also depend on us, because plants breathe in carbon dioxide that is exhaled by human beings. We must take care of living things around us. Yes, this is true. Let us draw lines to match correctly. Plain, desert and valleys. These are our landforms. And ponds, seas and oceans. These are our water bodies. Waste water of factory से क्या होगा? Water pollution. Oxpeckers क्या करते हैं? जो bulls, cows के ऊपर bugs और ticks होते हैं उन्हें खाते हैं. So feed on ticks. Alright, so that's all for today. You have to complete these back exercises neatly in your book. Complete it properly in your book. And then we'll do some activity and question answers from tomorrow. Bye-bye and take care. Read the chapter again, okay?